1920s. Western coast of the Peloponnese, Greece. The story of a winery that was built on the water so that the wine could be pumped directly onto ships begins. After a century of darkness, the bold vision of the conversion into a hotel brought light to the blind concrete wine tanks. In converting the site into a hotel, the intention was to showcase the strong history and the raw beauty of the existing buildings and complement their brutality with elegant interventions. Dominating the site are the two concrete blocks of tanks. Concrete cut from the tanks to create openings has been used for stepping stones in the pool. Separating the blocks, the shallow pool has a cooling effect on the air and reflects light and sound onto the concave surfaces of the steel drums sitting in the water. Sustainability was one of the main aspirations of design. Materials of the existing buildings were reused or upcycled. The construction was assigned to local contractors, while most of the newly added materials were locally sourced, maximizing the contribution of this project to the local community whilst minimizing its impact on the environment. A complementary palette of concrete, steel, timber and engineered glass ensures that the new construction elements tread lightly, leaving the existing buildings relatively untouched. Two original stone outbuildings now provide the hotel with in-house dining and facilities for art and food-focused events that communicate the culture of the area and the history of the site. The hotel has an ongoing program of arts events with resident artists presenting performances, installations, exhibitions, and wine rituals. Dexamenes focuses on hospitality as an experience through art, wine, nature, local culture, and conscious well-being.